Martha applies about 4 to 5 coats of gesso, and there's 2 different types. There's one that's a hard and one that is a little more elastic. Because then she'll work from photos, as I was saying before, from the 30s to the 50s, from archives or her own or friends, and then she'll do the charcoal rendering. After that, she'll sand areas away. So there's a lot of erasing, and literally she's sanding because there's so much body on the gesso or the primer on the canvas. She has room to really remove areas. So that's something that she does, and that creates a lot of the movement. Then she applies a gel medium, so it's a clear gel medium, gloss, acrylic, and then in that same gel medium she'll then inscribe, and as, I don't know if you saw before, but when you take a look on an angle in the light, and you have you can see sort of where there's
you see some writing almost like a letter.
Yeah, that's exactly what it's like. It's a sort of a stream of consciousness. It's information usually about her process, how she feels, who the subjects are. And then after that, she'll put on a cold wax, which is similar to a floor wax, but it is an artist medium that she'll put on the top, and that will seal everything in.
Her process is incredibly complex. That's amazing. It's very nice to paint with too.
You can mix it with oil paint, right?
Yes, that's not a process.
But it's yeah, it is a long process, and it's her own process, and it's it's very effective.